Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to give you the bonus tip of 3D sum formula. In my video, you have if you have gone through, you might have seen that in that video I have shown you how to calculate the you know using the 3D sum, how to calculate the values. So generally in sum formula, we generally calculate the values, means generally whatever the data is there, generally do the sum is equal to, we just need to type to sum, select the value, close the bracket and enter. So simply you can calculate the values. This is the way where you can calculate the sum formula. Now in 3D sum formula, this is advanced type of formula. It is, you can say, it is advanced 3D sum formula. This is why this is called 3D sum formula. This is advanced version of sum, right? So now if you want to calculate the data from Jan to December, simply you can type here is equal to sum in bracket Jan colon December exclamation mark P2, because this is the cell value where we are calculating this, and now enter. You can see I calculate the Delhi outlet cell from Jan to December in this cell only. Now you can see in Jan month, Delhi outlet cell is was 5,000, again June month 5,000, Feb months again 5,000. So it, like in Delhi outlet has earned 5,000 uh, in every month from Jan to December. So this is how it is calculated. There is a 6 lakhs, right? So the sum of sale is 6 lakhs from Jan to December of Delhi outlet, right? Now I apply the same in whole outlets. So now you can see formula is applied, and now Bhatinda outlet, Varanasi outlet, all the sales are calculated from Jan to December. So now I'm just going to give you the bonus tip of 3D sum formula. The basic, I mean, my main motto of this video is to teach you the bonus tip of 3D sum formula. So in 3D sum formula, what I'll type here is simply I'll type here is equal to sum in bracket 3 time question mark. I'll close it with single colon exclamation mark P2, close the bracket. Now you can see. So why 3 times question mark? This is the question. Why 3 times question mark? Because Jan is 3 alphabet, June is 3 alphabet, Feb is 3 alphabet. So it from January to December I have written Jan, matlab the format of months are three, means the alphabets are three only. If it is two only, then you just type here two question marks only. If it is four, then you just type here four question marks. So this is how you can calculate. But yes, again, if I click on this, the formula will be taken. Now I typed here what in single quotes I typed here triple 3 time question mark and then escalation and cell value b2 and entered. Now when I click on again in front of you, you can see this Jan colon December escalation mark and then b2 is already taken. This is the formula, this is the basic formula for 3D sum, but it was the bonus tip I taught you, right? So now you might be understanding the uses of 3D sum formula, and you might have got that how I'll have to use this to make my work easier. So I hope this video is going to help you out. If you like my videos, please do like, subscribe and forward to your friends. Thank you for watching.